I like that music. Okay. What a special night. Hi, Queen Latifah. It's been a minute. How you doing? I gotta say, this festival just keeps getting better. Hey, Baker. You're making us all want to make independent movies. This festival just keeps getting better and better. So I do want to give a hand to Jemana and my brother, Prince Batter. I said it last year, you see more people from Hollywood here than at the Oscars. Tonight is so special for me personally because I've been asked to recognize someone who you all know as one of the best actors that ever lived. He's been in the business for over 60 years, 2 Oscars. Like me, he's a family man, and that's worth an applause. To think how lucky I am to be able to acknowledge a person that the whole world has seen as this incredible actor. But to me, he's been an angel. He's been somebody that, as Uma Thurman just said, could play character roles or play the lead role, and all the while has more charisma in his finger than most people in Hollywood. So I'm going to show you a clip of one of the most amazing humans I've ever been blessed enough to meet.